All right, so let's try to fix this index bot that I just broke. What I'm gonna do is take a lot of what's in the system prompt and put it in the schema instead. Which I believe is this file right here. All right. So it says leave empty until a valid choice is determined. File name of the microbot prompt from the menu in the system prompt. At best matches the user request. Must be the exact name of the must match exactly the file name provided in the menu from the system prompt. And then, wait, what the hell? Why does this not have... This can't be right because it doesn't have the available bots list. Oh, okay. So it's the one I'm using is the with the buttons. Leave empty until valid choices must match the file name provided in the menu section of the system prompt. Must exactly match. Leave empty until a valid choice is determined. Okay. Let's just see whether or not I broke it. Okay. So it is still not working. And most likely the reason it's not working is because it did not set the next prompt. Um, all right, I'm confused. Let's just delete this as the error log and start over. Okay. So yes, it is still not working. That much is for sure. Just make 100% sure that I saved these changes. I did save the changes. Okay. You know what? I think possibly the issue is that it says leave empty until a valid choice is determined. And what I need to change that to is the user will provide a user-friendly name, but you should use the exact match choose the best match from the menu list and set this value to match the name in the menu to exactly match the name in to exactly match the file name provided in the menu list. I've repeated myself here in the prompt, or yeah, so I don't know if that's bad. Say the exact same thing twice. Damn. Still not working. Yeah, so it left next prompt empty. There should be like I mean, this is such a sloppy way. This is a very sloppy way to do it, but I truly have no idea why that's not working, but you know what? Um, all right, I just neutered the system prompt, deleted almost everything. So that will hopefully relieve the confusion of being told the same thing like 4 times. Which you'd think if you said the same thing 4 times, it would at least follow that instruction, but apparently not. Shit. What happened? Why did that not work? All right. So, because I deleted in the prompt where it said list all bots. So now it's not listing all bots, but instead of putting that back in the system prompt, I'm going to put it in the list all bots from the menu section of the system prompt. Do not omit any listed do not list any bots that are not listed in the menu section of the system prompt. Why? Why are you not working? Only use the list from the menu section to set the array values. Do not use the conversation history. Hopefully that helps. No, but now it's not giving user-friendly names. convert all bot names to user-friendly names. Oops, gonna refresh this. What happened? I have no idea what the problem is now. Well, it set the value for next prompt to index, which is not a value. Okay, so if it's not listed as an available bot, then that would be an invalid value, is basically what I just told it. So let's try again. Fucking shit. The hell is going on here? So it gave a response. Huh. So, but it sent the system prompt with no list of bots available. Oh my God, what is happening? Hmm. The bots, list of bots. Okay, so it did work that time. But it didn't work when we returned to the index for some weird reason. Which I'm guessing is because it's setting the next prompt somehow. It's setting the next prompt to index. Okay, so for some reason the listing prompts is not working each time, a lot of the time, and then it keeps setting the next prompt to index, which it shouldn't do. Because okay, I'm gonna try one thing before I take a break and give up. So I'm setting the default value to default because I'm pretty sure that if it's set to default, then everything will run smoothly. Nope. Looks like that somehow broke everything. How did that break everything? This should have the same error as before because I just undid what I did. All right, I'm going to take a break and come back to this.